Sickness is no hobby. We fight diseases with these small things. Lemon. If a woman suffers, how do you call it, menstrual pain? What is medicine? You take hot water like tea, hotness, no? Then you grind lemon. You grind garlic. You mix with it. Then you add lemon. And you add activated charcoal to it. Then the woman takes it. Give the woman 1 hour, vanish. They can't activated charcoal. Charcoal prepared from any edible plant. Akutu, mango, neem tree, ne charcoal, jabidie. Powerful medicine. Now you say jabidie medicine. Hey, ya den kwansi wa na fridge no ni ho no. Ya den kwansi wa na ebu bidie atum. 1 week in kwanem pro, you see bidie no eye adsorptive. When we say something is absorptive, it can attract poisonous substance into it. It will not enter into any absorptive. Absorb just a bit so kuno, but absorb just a chinetare ho. To the whole West Africa, the whole world, upeni pekita, why the most white teeth here, yen. If it's a sabe near the charcoal the tricky yes. Charcoal the body to yes, say fe. So 2 doctors from America came to do research here. Now I'm person who the entire yes the whole world, West Africans. And no who say because you used to takocha, sapo, any children stay so kodia, and a charcoal, abrofono, there's a whole document on it, which has been published in a renowned health journal in US. Abrofo 2 American professors. It almost pewe bia, almost package chicken steak, any takocha, and the aquabrucha momo yusu. To the whole world, West Africans, Gambia, Ghana, Nigeria, and others. Yen yesi fe, and yesi strong. The retention of our teeth is 99.8%. We can grow with our teeth because we use takocha, chiwi steak in sokoduya, and charcoal. And then I see a near BNT Piagunchain. And now fake toothpaste from China, fake toothpaste from Jamaica, Malaysia, a good room. We need to choose an start at a pro. Because Ghanaian FSO co school, a dear be a yankupon the Chinese be useless. Or copy a white man. That is why we are suffering today. But as a Duncan Yankopon says, school Yankobi and Kabahaya Kakra. And non chessa, Menko practice idea bekumisa. So I go the African way. I use chiwi stick. I use charcoal to clean my teeth. Maybe charcoal them the brush in the bone of the tree. When we more that, today a lot of people are suffering from bad blood. Or Kasapane and Lumbo. MP minister obia because of what we are eating. A fermented way yam to a kasapana pie, and we don't use some of these things. It's lemon, a glass of warm water with 1 lemon. Chigum na no had here. What that was so obika chro say a bear will say the person is a liar. It helps the system. So charcoal, lemon, dandelion, then moringa, the next one. Moringa tree no bebre will be. What do you want to run on one? Tetenenum. Open soil and powder. We dry it in a room and put sunshine. And you dry no, there no be a ceiling fence. So dry no one can blend it. What's a teaspoon? Now they go warm a glass of no one. Obama, why yes usually week or taking moringa powder for the next 2 weeks here. Massa, matas and crema. Nyame de chaye, meaning bronibia. Udru Medina, Medina Estate, in front of the Action School, Lady Biton Health Products or Kobusano, every month, what the moringa powder, 10 million worth, Emmanuel White Lady Bill America. The white lady came to Ghana and was suffering from diabetes. And the lady gave her moringa powder. After taking the moringa powder for 1 month, the lady realized that there was sharp improvement. She went back and requested more. Now the diabetes is no more. She now prescribed it for a lot of people who are suffering from diabetes there. One saw improvement. So now, every month, the lady will send 10 million and they'll bring down the money. Moringa powder is here, every house. Those days in Volta region, when a dog is giving birth and it becomes difficult for the dog, they will mix moringa, give it to the dog. After 5 minutes, Volta region. So they call it magic plant. Every house they will plant it around the house. They were using it for BBR. You go to northern region, that is what they use for their food. They use it for tosafi green. And my way is strong. Not this chemicalized food. Yes, fried rice. Chicken. The chicken coming from Abrochi is poison. That is why Professor Kosa, this document, Daily Graphic, Friday, October 5th, 2007. What did he say? Was say, I will ban turkey tail. Professor Kosa, when I become a president. Was he already president? And he already can't ban a turkey tail. Fat content is 30%. Poisonous. When they hatch the egg here, they will now inject the egg with growth hormones. After 1 week, the fowl is like this. You bono a drobi, you the one any 1 week you know to say for commercial purposes. Now the chemical they injected no, it can easily settle in the tail where there's enough fat. When they settle, so the chemicals will go and settle in the tail where the fat is more than 30%. So when they kill the fowl, the turkey, they will now cut the tail and send it to West Africa. Monye na monye. Mona mupe bibiawu. And pound some of the buy when you get to Sawam with the yam. Now the most dangerous aspect of it is they will dye it with color. That thing is not good. Then you dye it with color. And the yam too, you dye the yam. Nobody is talking. So was it last week when the Food and Drug Board came out vehemently on them? What did they say? Food and Drug Board so abane. Almost a month. And one of the that is Ghana. But I warning to you because listen to Professor Kosa. Professor Kosa warned that diet which contain fat increase the risk of prostate cancer and therefore advise against high intake of such fatty products. The number of prostate cancer deaths in a given country directly correlates with the average total calorie from fat in that country's typical diet. According to him, the disease which affect the urinary tract in the human system mostly affect the elderly who were above the age 40. Adding the disease is the second large cause of death from cancer and in men of all ages. So he therefore advised Ghanaians to avoid consuming turkey tail and eat more fruits and vegetables. Professor of medicine, chief pathologist, when somebody dies, they take the so-called post-mortem or autopsy. They'll take a specimen of the person's body, send it to Akosa. Then he will go to lab with machines to look for what killed the person. And according to him, those who consume turkey tail, when they die, you see, say, they are distant, fresh, you know, red, dark, red. And the lab will show, say, because of the turkey tail. That's why he came out seriously that I will ban turkey tail. Ghanaians didn't understand why a doctor is saying this. It's not doctors and woman fear. Omaka will be a mua. One of the doctor now who or trade your coon and what was a dear coon crowful back when it turkey tail. And my mom for your prostate cancer. Prostate cancer as a bear yapas a bema. We eat a fair. When you're weak, near the rabbi, where you find a catita near the Asha Bema. Kohe Omogu Kulebuno. One more operation no yearly. Say express new for Bochebe Calm. It took obi the list and also best 500. The rabbi shall be you find a catheter. Those who are suffering from prostate cancer. Now, young man like you, 40, 50, 60, when you be well, you know, for fair near the rabbi where you now, here the Debia. And try a man for so far, or the Yakokulebu excursion. You will like it. It will not your doctor, no, and what was I dear way more. What was a baby now? You could see, say, they are making a coin in aye. Adriane, Amekasa make a men pawn. And there was this Kevin Trudeau. What can Sambi? And another health campaigner, Ellen J. White, as you for be. Would you tell the Ellen J. White? Because it's true wrong habit of eating. Our appetite has become perverted. Our appetite demands food that impairs health and causes weakness instead of strength. The disease and suffering that everywhere prevail are largely due to popular errors in regard to diet. Grains, fruit, nuts, and vegetables constitute the diet chosen for us by our Creator. Oduma kuma ade odema say ye ni more e fruits nut atadwe mo ne cashew nut mo grains brown rice mo ne ade vegetables, any vegetable that you can imagine, including sabolai, jene, very powerful for the body. And no na nyankopon si yendi etimi nananu mu otimi twi mako no de sabolai bebre tomatoes no de kinam kakra no de dinaduane wawie aduane ne ye 80% raw because the sabolai raw, tomatoes raw, pepper raw, bibia raw, apart from banku na yaka no enti aduane ne ye 80% raw, and that's what the body needs. They reduce the consumption of sugar. In our village, Christmas pet and now be no soft drink. They do Christmas as in Kwala no be answer lie. Everybody is sala no I say. What they call you soft drink? What you would ya? You say I want to be caught. No, or you do. Also what you call the whole year and the 1 year no. What soft drink I want man no Christmas. And then Kwala no go school home bag him. And nothing that Dr. Kwachua say kids are also become diabetic. Sugar. So I don't permit my wife to give those things to my children. Oh, brother. And you maybe I'm a cut banana watermelon. I dear Chani a container no the coast school. Akaho. The small boy could be home. Or solid night here, midnight. Banana. On cat Tampico that. Because he's not been trained with Tampico. What to train the child with? And when you media training me ma pa ba me favor he woni baje me hada koto chocolate me jagu center table so omo fada because they've not been trained. Me to fruits, banana, orange na sense mo ko school, so they always use the children as example. So since they came to the school they don't fall ill, and now we want to follow the world. Akwada keto afa na wo body ne head o ko school Tampico chocolate toffee aye bag ne ma e do so che books no. No, it's very serious. Oh, I was here the patapasunya dibi. Enya system ne da ho. Enti elenje watitio was this food prepare in as simple and natural a manner as possible are the most helpful and nourishing. They impart a strength, a power of endurance, a vigor of intellect that are not afforded by a more complex and stimulating diet. Persons who have accustomed themselves to a rich, highly stimulating diet have an unnatural taste. It will take time for the taste to become natural and for the stomach to recover from the abuse it has suffered. Then you listen to Luigi Conaro. One also say the body could cure itself if the individual corrected his daily habit of eating and living. This is the key to longevity. Whatever pleases the palate must agree with the stomach and nourish the body, or whatever is palatable must be equally wholesome and nourishing. It is impossible to be a perfect doctor to another. A man cannot have a better doctor than himself. We don't allow the world to deceive us. If we are saying penfaso, omu peska, asamo obeka obechi watum. Yan kotetela no ne ade yan hwe say ye den na nkrofo mbobom agi. Omu nyini sa. That's a simple question. Anya magic. They check their diet. Apart from say who did natural food, you know, me wani say undidi after sex. Edu ba bia ye nyame adwuma no, ya na ye yakoye say ye kwa asore ya mpontem. Oh, say amaba hai, me free ha, me program time aso ntimi ko start program on my FM. Me pon 6, Manisha Makati Hill Pentecost. Omubusa buso omo question na me mpon na about 10. Me pon ade asami ni di. Full stop. I will eat. Go and ask your grandmother, say, a boss says I know mudidia. A boss says now kwakoto vegetables, yes, ideas and bonus friako. Okasa me to oil, yes, ideas and go. In my village, a boss says I want fufu. Ye tise wadroya ye pine. Ye bekaso aye jibo bo wo ye bayifo. No nsia bo na wo fo bayifo. Eti emo says no bia wona aduane awie. After sex, they don't sell palm oil. They don't sell vegetable. After sex, no sales of anything that will help you to cook. They were using that to control night eating. Medical research actually say, who did this sex here? The food doesn't digest because the body cannot release the enzymes that the body needs for digestion. So after sex, the production or the release of enzymes in your system comes to a halt. So after sex, no eating. What is happening today? 11 fried rice and chicken. 12 o'clock fried rice and chicken. Eti amasa besebe yadeɛ bi doctor no bɛyɛ oh obi bɛka sɛ doctor ahwɛ me system mu a wɔhunu hwee wahwɛ me mogya mu a wɔhunu hwee ɛnso me yare. The next one, ice water. We drink cold water. We don't drink ice water. We drink cold water. We don't drink ice water. Fatu trimusa. Eti diamina nano ye ne se wawahina. Okonsu ogum. Na eguahina no anu ankasa na che na ye cold no anu na ade ye. Ye nche no. Eno ni cold water. Ice. Were you free to freeze the man gunanu na ne John nyire ho ye ne ya. Medical research say a cold system mu a shrinke blood vessels no. A shrinke no. It for some minutes na moja ntimi move. When it continues that way, it will affect the blood circulation and you are preparing your system to stroke and heart attack. Ice water. Ice water. The money a dangerous kura say ye di gu sa sachet num na wi aboso a the chemicals in the sachet will leach into the water. That one to another trouble. So your grandmother will put water in a pot. Ehina no abua so. Ye punu mu. Ye de abe ewura gu jam na de abua so na bam mefe. No de so na gum medicinal. Ena hede ye. Sachet water Professor Frimpong what prove Ghana Standard Board for nyina proof say sa rubber na ye de heat gum no ye de niam gum wi aboso a chemical bi wo rubber no beba nsuo num beba duane num it will affect you. It is a polythene no rubber no anopa na ya to kokoni asagum ne achecha na ye se nufo no no ofe obo nsambe be ma bi kita ne bag kama ehwe ho na subia be koko ehyem koko awaji ahyem eti heat no ebema rubber no poison na leak aba kokonum eti Professor Frimpong Boateng ma warning say people who do that should stop because you harm your system. Ye nananom anya saa okotoduane ya tiagu anwonomo mu anwonomo no ye duro eti aduane hiti koma na twe abam eating and curing your body of disease anwonomo yes civilization on baby a leader yako China for na yes smart say what their tradition says they will never change it despite technology. It in Nekran China they continue to use chopsticks to eat atrebe na China for ntimenye but they use chopsticks. Yet they see any be a penalty of boy in a jaton chain. Near Kofani Bekuyan. I'm no more near the Chichebiano. It's medicinal. So when you put hot food in it here, not medicine. Our people were clever. They were health minded. It's not yet they saw a mobayare. Obano mankind by the body on sensene. Now what you scientific research your proof say. By the cover no, mankani cover no, medicine wom. It won't one as na atwea koduanenum. It wo mudi kan no awiasa no mo hwane ho. Na eduro na wura duane mu dada. Nigeria do mo sensene a, wo mo ntu ni wura ne ngu no ma ahohoro ho. No ma ablende, no ma yende, ye de aka eba. Ye de yetugu. You see it? Our grandfathers were wise. That was why they were strong. Strong oh. You can live more than 100. Kumasi Adum, I was staying in the house with a man. The man was 90 years and gave birth to the last one called Kojo. There be an boys in Huru boy no. O papa kokora obe wajaw. O papa kokora obe wa kokora ba. Na ire no so obi o 90 years no aware 40-year-old woman. One na anyem Kojo. Ya wo Kojo. Enkwada dia kokora ba o papa be wajaw. Kojo enyini ye. He came to Legon. Computer before their father died. Old man, ne bana nyini beto no. Aduane no mudini. Nyame ache ya de. Yesi ebema abrofo dada ya. Na se kwa de research bi beto me kan me stress World Anti-Doping Agency. Omo president e friend Jacques Rogue. What you ade bae. O say se ba se Olympics game Africans no they perform. obo so mu tum rikana na Jamaica ni di kan oh na Kenya ni toso first second fourth are Africans those in the diaspora in Africa Jamaica 43 odi anim pa na Kenya ni toso ana mo say enkofo we ada na ba America tu a wo mo ye gudu sa wo mo tum rika wo mo mre yente ase and almost started some more research I find it out say why because African yes come ni wo hia na da na ba America tu dia e so say kanafo yi o ma yo mutiti sa ayon long distance wudi agomba te wakoma ti Kenya ni ba na Jamaica ni to aso Africans now Olympics game